Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use IMP Trade Journal from the Neslife Research website. First, open the website in Google. In this landing page, look for IMP Trade Journal. Here, you have to explore it. Once you will open this page, you will get the information of what is IMP Trade Journal. And here, open IMP Trade Journal. Once you open it, you will get sign in with Google, create my journal. Here you have to choose account verb continue. In this, you have to select whatever IMP journal can access. You have to select all here and then continue. Once you sign in successfully, the IMP trade journal will open. Here you have to add a trade. Enter the required trade details such as symbol, exchange, broker's target, and dates. Once you added these details, you can save trade. Once the trade is saved, then it will automatically auto saved in your Google Drive account. Here you can see the same trade information that we just entered in the IMP trade journal. This makes it easy to keep all your trading records in one place and review them whenever you need. Using the IMP Trade Journal, you can keep track of your trades and monitor your investment performance over time. It helps you to maintain a record of a trading activity without having to enter the same information separately into the spreadsheet. So that's how you can access and use the IMP Trade Journal through the Neslife Research website. Simply open the website, select Open IMP Trade Journal, sign in with your Google account, add your trade, and check the information in your connected Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.